Welcome to AGCS Purulia. In earlier classes, we have learned about the intersection, union and difference of two sets. Today we will learn about some practical problem based on union and intersection of sets. Suppose X is a finite set. So this part x minus y means difference between x and y. This part x intersection y means the common part between x and y. This is y minus x. Suppose A is a finite set. Now in A, number of element present in A. In A means number of element present in A. N of A union B, that is equals to NA plus NB. When we can write down this two? When A intersection B is non-set. That means A intersection B has no element. Number of element in that cases is 0. So A union B, NA plus NB. N of A union B, that is equals to NA plus NB minus N of A intersection B. Here A intersection B is, that is not a null set. A intersection B is not a null set. So using this formula, N of A union B, that is NA plus NB minus N of A intersection B, or N of A union B, that is equals to NA and NB, this two formula is related with two finite set. If there is a three finite set, then N of A union B union C, that is equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So when it is for a three set, then N of A union B union C, that is equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus of N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. Now start with it. Let's discuss an example. Exercise 1.6, sum number 1. X and Y are two set such that Nx, that is equals to 17, Ny, that is equals to 23, and N of X union Y, that is equals to 38. Now we have to find out N of X intersection Y. So these all are given value. This is 38. That is equals to 17 plus 23 minus n of x intersection y. Therefore, n of x intersection y, that is equals to 17 plus 23 minus 38. That is 17 plus 23 gives you 40 minus 38, that is 2. So n x intersection y, that is equals to 2. When we discuss problem related our daily life, in that cases the word or, this denote union of sets, or denote union of sets, and that gives a clue of intersection of set. Exercise 1.6, sum number 4. Sum number 3. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Now how you will write down? I am showing you that. Let A be the set of people who can speak English. Similarly, B be the set of people who can speak Hindi. So 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. That means NA, NB. 250 can speak Hindi, so 250, NB is 250. NA, the people who can speak English, NA is 200. How many in a group? Number of people 400. That means N of A union B, that is equals to 400. Now we have to find out how many can speak English and Hindi both. That means we have to find out N of A intersection B. First write the formula. N of, we can write down this way also directly. Just check. N of A intersection B, that is equals to NA plus NB minus N of A intersection B. You can write it like this way. Means we are starting from there N of A union B, and this side we are writing N of A intersection B, so we can interchange and we can write down the formula directly. So normally we are writing the formula N of A union B, that is equals to NA plus NB minus A intersection B. So we can write down the formula this way also. Now substitute the value directly. Value of NA, we got 200 plus 250 minus 400. Simplify 450 minus 400. That is equals to 50. I think it's clear to all of you. In our problem related our daily life also we can solve in this way. If it is comes in a form of union and intersection, and I give you a clue of two things, that or means union and means intersections. That means in a sentence, when you will get this word, that means you have to understand that you have to find out union of the sets, or and it is given means intersection of the sets. That's all for today. Thank you so much.